Hey there, in this video I will teach you how you can download South Park the Stick of Truth. So yeah, let me show you. First search for Steam on your browser. So you can use any browser. I'm using Chrome. Just search for Steam, go to the first result and install Steam, and then this I have already done it, the process, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you haven't done the process, just do it again. So Steam, it will look like this. Just tap here, install Steam. All right, I'm not going to do it, so you do it for the first time, and after completing the process, Steam will look like this. All right, then create an account, Steam account. Just create a Steam account and Steam will look like this. Go to the store and from here search this South Park the Stick of Truth, and then search. This is a game. Tap here, add to cart, view my cart, and continue to payment. So after finishing the payment, you will find your game somewhere in this library. So just press the game and then there will be install button. Tap this install button and you will be good to go. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.